Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I wanted to show you a bit of our service module and some of the capabilities we have within the system. So I'm going to create a new service document here and then show you how we can add items to that, add any billable services, as well as schedule that on our calendar. So the document will open up with populating the business location with the location that my login is associated with. I'll come down and select my customer. Then we have the capability to add a few different statuses to this document. There's a document status that I will just designate as new, as well as an action status where I will say we're going to visit the customer. We'll say that this is a 1-hour service. And then there's a few ways to actually schedule this. You can manually enter the date and time, or actually check the availability for tax. So let's come in and open up our calendar. Then we can see anything that's scheduled and find an opening. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule this for 10 a.m. on Tuesday. You'll click and then have a little choose slot option that comes up. I'll select that and we'll assign this to myself. Now for adding the item that needs to be serviced, you have a few different options. You can allow all items, which will give you the ability to add any item within your AltheaSuite system. Or you can actually just select items that the customer is recorded as having purchased within your system and your historical sales data. So I will do that and go in and add the electric dryer. We'll say that this is a remote service. I'm going to the customer's address. Then the system will generate a service code and will add the serial number of that item that they purchased previously, as well as give you the ability to add a description, maybe based on what the customer said the issue is, as well as pictures that they may have sent over. To add billable items, we will select this button here. This can be either parts that you're going to have to use or actual just service charges. We also have the ability to add used up items. This will create a stock transaction within your system, but will not create a charge for the customer. So we'll just go ahead and say there's just a service charge. You can adjust the price in here. We'll just say it's $100 service. You can actually also issue a loaner. So I'll come in here, click the drop down. We'll just issue a loaner for that dryer. It will give the serial number for that. And again, I can add notes for time duration they need it. And then I can also add any comments as well as custom fields for the user. Service document is created, it is added to the schedule, and we can open this up and issue an invoice from there, mark it as delivered, completed, modify it, as well as look at any of the notes. Thanks for watching and hope this was helpful.